బెల్ కనిపిస్తుంది కదా, దాన్ని క్లిక్ చేయండి. మీకు మంచిగా నోటిఫికేషన్స్ వస్తాయి. సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి, షేర్ చేయండి అండ్ కమెంట్ కూడా చేయండి.
How many guys have fallen for your smile?
That I don't know. Puri sir is not at that stature where he has to recommend somebody.
Most critics say that South is worse when it comes to objectification. Do you agree?
Films like Arjun Reddy and films like all the recent films that I have watched, they really
Quite a few heroines have talked about rampant casting couch in the film industry. What is your personal experience?
see a lot of people say a lot of things. If you come and tell me each and everything that people have said, then I'm not going to.
A few non-Telugu girls have said Tollywood is notorious for casting couch. Your take?
In fact, in Bollywood, those things are there, but here everything is very.
Balakrishna once called you Bapu Bomma. Isn't it lovely?
I had this one tear falling from my eye, and
Why has there been such a gap after Paisa Vasool?
yeah, those things kept me involved, and now I'm ready for everything because now I'm. Hi India Glitz, this is Muskan Sethi.
So, Muskan Sethi, what is the meaning of your name?
Muskan means smile.
Is it your real name? Why was the name chosen for you?
Yeah, my mom kept that name because when I was born, I was a very smiling child. Like, usually kids cry when they're born, but I didn't. I was kind of like smiling, so she thought it was cute and she kept my name Muskan.
How many guys have fallen for your smile?
That I don't know. That you should be telling me actually.
We have already fallen for your smile.
Thank you.
How has your journey in films been?
It's been amazing. The reviews have been really great, and the people in Hyderabad have given me so much love, so much affection, and it feels like home when I come here. So it has been phenomenal so far.
How often have you been to Hyderabad since Paisa Vasool?
More than 10-15 times now. I traveled a lot for shows, dance events, inaugurations, shoots, ads. So yeah, I did travel a lot post my film for work.
Is it your way of connecting to the people here?
I don't know if it's a way to connect, but I enjoy it, and if I'm called, then I feel it's my great luck that somebody wants me to dance for them or inaugurate something. So I love being a part of that. Yes.
Has all of this made you more responsible?
Definitely, yes, and more responsible, I think, because people look up to you, they message you, you know, that we really like your work, we admire you. So yeah, you feel responsible and you feel, you know, connected to people.
What kind of feedback do you receive in general?
Generally, I mean, there are lots of feedback. Some people say good things, some people say not so good things. You know, we have all sorts of people on social media, but so far I have got positive response. I got a huge boost in my following on my social media pages, post my film. So I think it was positive because people wanted to know what I'm doing and you know, wanted to keep up with me. So yeah, I think it was positive.
Do you think South Indian films objectify women more than Bollywood?
I don't know. I really don't know because I think every industry, every culture has its own things that they're obsessed with, you know. So if it's the male, I don't think it's anything obscene. I think it's very beautiful. A girl looks the most beautiful in saris, and I don't find it obscene or objectifying at all. So yeah, I mean, each to its own.
Most critics say that South is worse when it comes to objectification. Do you agree?
That's really changing, and if people think like that, they should watch more South Indian films to see how they are evolving, and films like Arjun Reddy and films like all the recent films that I have watched, they really don't demean women. They in fact treat women equal, and there's a lot of feminism, there's that feminist attitude in the directors, which is why they are making those kind of stories. So even if they think like that, it must have been because of olden perspectives. So that's a wrong perception.
Are you a feminist?
I believe that women are equal. I don't say I'm a feminist. I don't say like I'm, whatever. I don't believe in feminism or that male are superior. Both are equal. That's what's important.
Quite a few heroines have talked about rampant casting couch in the film industry. What is your personal experience?
Personally, I don't think so at all. I think it's the most clean industry, and women are really respected. There is a punctual timeline as to when to work. You're not expected to hang around or just socialize and network. In fact, in Bollywood, those things are there, but here everything is very work oriented, and I really like that. It's very professional. Very professional.
A few non-Telugu girls have said Tollywood is notorious for casting couch. Your take?
See, a lot of people say a lot of things. If you come and tell me each and everything that people have said, then I'm not going to be able to say anything, but I'm telling you my personal experience.
Of late, actresses have become more vocal. How do you see the trend?
Well, it's good to be vocal, but and it's good to be honest. But for me, I have not faced anything like that, so I'm very happy.
Does Puri Jagannath render bits of advice to you?
Yeah, Puriso advises me as to what is right, what is not right, and he has some great friends in the industry, and a lot of filmmakers and producers respect him. So, of course, you get to meet better people and network in the right way.
Has he ever recommended you to other directors?
No, Purisa is not at that stature where he has to recommend somebody. If he's taken somebody in their films, I think people like Ilyana, Kajal Agarwal, Disha Patni have all done so well, and he's not recommended them. It's but obvious that these girls are picked up once he launches them. So I think it's proof enough that they do well.
Balakrishna once called you Bapu Bomma. Isn't it lovely?
So I think that means that you look like a painting. That's what he meant. So that was a huge compliment coming from him. It meant a lot to me.
Do you think the film industry is hero dominated?
No, it's changing. Even if it was, it's not anymore. There are a lot of female-centric films coming up. I know Taapsee is doing a female-centric film. So it's changing. I don't think so.
Are you looking forward to doing female-centric movies?
Definitely, I would love to do it if the story is good. But also, I think male is very important in a story, and I don't think that the importance of a female becomes less if she comes with a male co-star, if he has a larger, time span in the duration of the film, because there's a lot of action, there's a lot of things which the audience wants to see. Usually it's the man who's doing that, so he's only adding to your film. So you should not see it as somebody who's dominating over you or something like that. No, it's like a combination of people who come together and make a film. So yeah.
Has your experience in modeling helped you bag movies?
I don't know if it helped me get the film, but it helped me get a lot of hands-on experience into what like the entertainment industry feels like. I did a couple of ads, I did a music video, I did a lot of short films. So yeah, it definitely prepared me for what I was, what was coming in front of me. Yeah.
What drew you towards the course in interior designing that you did?
I did that for my own passion because I was very interested in that, and hopefully I will do that in my life again sometime, because it's like it's a passion.
Do you yourself associated with the designing industry in future?
I don't know what the future has for me, but as of now I have my blinders on and I just want to act. So yeah.
Do you have any targets?
No, I don't keep targets like that. It's good to do good work, and that's more important than, I think quality is more important than quantity. So yeah.
What specific genres do you want to try out?
I don't know if I am good at comedy or whatever, but if a director sees that in me, I would love to do it.
What are your strengths as an actress?
Strengths, I can cry easily because I had to do this one scene for 7 days when I had this one tear falling from my eye and I was just holding a gun, and it was a very emotional scene. So every day I would cry, and it was easier for me than laughing or doing something. I am emotional, so it gets, yeah. So I think that is my strength.
It's ironical given your name means smile.
I know, right? Yeah, it is. But I never used glycerin. I actually cried.
So you're a natural actress.
I don't know, but if you ask me my strength, I would say that I feel sad. I can empathize with the situation, and yeah, it's easier for me to do something emotional than do comedy. So that is.
And what about your weaknesses?
I don't know my weakness. I mean, like I said, I'm not a fantastic singer, but I'm a better dancer. So, I mean, maybe all have our pros and cons.
Since you know singing, can you please sing for us?
Maybe next time. Maybe singing not. Maybe not. And I know so many songs, but I'm not like a great singer. So, and my voice is bad today, so I'm singing.
Why has there been such a gap after Paisa Vasool?
Because I told you I was busy shooting for my Hindi project, and also I was completing my education. Like I'm 22 right now, so I've just finished my bachelor's of mass media. So yeah, those things kept me involved, and now I'm ready for everything because now I'm graduated, I've done my film, and my Bollywood film is under wraps. So yeah.
What do you want to tell to our viewers?
I hope you guys watch out for more coming from me, and following me, keep sending your love, and I really look forward to this year because a lot of great things are coming up. So stay tuned and much love.
Hi.
Hi India Glitz viewers.
For all the latest movie reviews,
Interviews.
Latest updates.
Subscribe IG Telugu.
Please subscribe to IG Telugu.
Please follow IG Telugu.
Please subscribe to IG Telugu.